In this section, we are talking about properties of multiplication. The commutative property says that changing the order of factors does not change the product. So, for example, 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Algebraically, A times B equals B times A equals AB. The associative property says that changing grouping of factors does not change the product. So if we have A times B in parentheses times C, that's the same as A times B times C in parentheses. The zero property of multiplication says that the product of a number and 0 is 0. So A times 0 equals 0 times A equals 0. The identity property of multiplication says that the product of 1 and a number is the number. That is, A times 1 equals 1 times A equals A. 1 is called the multiplicative identity because of this property. Finally, the distributive property says that it does not matter if you multiply or first or add first when multiplying a sum in parentheses. So if we have something like A times B plus C, that's equal to A times B, or A times B plus A times C. You can do this either way. You can either add the B and C and then multiply by A, or you can multiply both by A and then add the B and C. So if we look at something with numbers, let's say 2 times 3 plus 5, that's equal to 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5, which is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 10 is 16. However, if we do it the other way, 2 times 3 plus 5, we add first, that's 2 times 8, which is still 16. Sorry, that went off the page a little bit, but there you go, you can see that.